Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Corolla headlight bulb. Start by gathering the correct bulb, gloves, screwdriver, and safety glasses, then park on a level surface and disconnect the battery. Work with the engine cold and use a flashlight if needed. Keep fasteners organized so reassembly is easier. Speak slowly while you follow along and pause the video between steps to avoid rushing or making mistakes. Remove the hood prop and find the headlight housing near the front corner of your Corolla. If a plastic cover or fender liner blocks access, remove the fasteners with a screwdriver and set them aside. Reach to the back of the housing, twist the bulb retainer or unclip it, and unplug the wiring connector with a steady pull. Keep everything organized so reinstallation is quick and predictable, and avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Pull the old bulb out gently after releasing the retainer and inspect the socket for corrosion or damage. Handle the new bulb by the base only, insert it straight into the socket, and secure the retainer so it cannot move. Reconnect the wiring harness and temporarily reconnect the battery to test low and high beams, then turn off power before replacing any covers. Confirm beam alignment visually, then reassemble panels and fasteners for a complete.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.